Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change your homepage in Edge. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open Edge and we will see that I don't have a homepage defined. This is what Microsoft Edge looks by default. Now I click on the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. In the side menu I click on Start, Home and New tab. Up here I can now set what should happen when Edge starts. So I can decide if a completely new tab should be open, but I just had that and I don't want it. Or should my last session be restored. If we want to define an individual start page, I click on Open these pages and now I have to select the right pages. If I have exactly these pages open, I can click on Use all open tabs. If not, I can add the pages by clicking on Add new page. I will do this now with Google. And the good thing is that I can set multiple pages. So now I will use my own homepage for a test as well. And now we restart Edge and we will see that my defined start pages are now open. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.